Now that you are familiar with the use of pre-composition and we have created a project, I feel it necessary to explain the option of region of interest and its usage. If I click on the card layer, you can see that this pre-composition is large. This is because the pre-composition of the car is also full HD, I mean 1920 and 1080. The light layer is the same as the card layer, I mean full HD. And for this reason, when I want to select the card layer from the stage, the light layer will be selected, because it placed above the card layer. In order to make the range of the lights smaller, open the light pre-composition, and using the region of interest option, select all around the light. Only select the lights. I don't need the other places. Now select Crop Comp to region of interest from the composition menu. This will make our composition smaller. If you look carefully at the pre-composition size, you will see that its size has been reduced. Now if I go back to the main composition, you can see that this pre-composition has been moved due to the size change, and we have to place it on the car. You can also reduce the size of pre-composition car in the same way. Open it, use the region of interest tool, and select all around the car. Select Crop Comp to region of interest from the composition menu to make the composition smaller. Now because the pre-composition has shrunk, the car has also been moved. Hit U, click on Position to select keyframes, move the CTI to the first frame, and move the car and place it in the right place. Now you can move the layer of lights and place them exactly where they are. You got familiar with the region of interest option and realized that you can use this option to make the composition smaller. This option is not only for making the pre-composition smaller, but it can also be used for main composition. With this region of interest option, for example, I select around the car, and by using the Crop Comp to region of interest option from composition menu, we can shrink the composition. If for any reason you change your mind and don't want to make it smaller, I will click on this region of interest option again and exit this mode.